Hello guys, welcome back to JessicaMath. You've probably been waiting for another video of me since like a month. Today we are talking about what is a thermometer, the three types of thermometers, Fahrenheit and Celsius. And also, we are going to convert Fahrenheit and Celsius. Okay, first, what is a thermometer? A thermometer is a tool used to measure temperature. Temperature is how hot or cold a thing is, or, how much energy that thing has. A bulb thermometer is one of the three types of thermometers. It uses alcohol with dye to make a liquid that goes up when it's hotter and goes down when it's colder. It has two lines on it with numbers. One measures degrees Fahrenheit, and one measures degrees Celsius. A digital thermometer is something with different purposes for measuring temperature, but the most known one is the one you put in your mouth to measure your temperature. Most digital thermometers use a thermistor, which changes its electrical resistance based on the temperature. A tiny computer inside the device measures this change and converts it into a numerical value. An infrared thermometer is a non-contact tool that measures the surface temperature of an object from a distance. It works by using a lens to focus the infrared radiation, the heat naturally given off by all objects, onto a detector called a thermopole. This detector converts the heat energy into an electrical signal, which the device then translates into a numerical temperature on its screen. Okay, now let's talk about the math scales. Degrees Fahrenheit. In 1724, a Dutch-German-Polish physicist named Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit proposed the scale that bears his name. The UK adopted it in 1776 and spread it across the world, but most switched to Celsius, including the UK itself. The United States, Liberia, and the Bahamas use it today. Water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit and boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Celsius is used in all other countries. It boils at 100 degrees Celsius and freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. Now that we know that, let's go on to our first question. Logan went outside. It was 33 degrees Celsius. But Logan didn't use Celsius, he uses Fahrenheit. So, let's turn 33 Celsius into Fahrenheit. To turn 33 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit, let's multiply 33 by 1.8, which gives you 59.4. Then, you add 32 to that number to get the final result of 91.4 degrees Fahrenheit. And rounding that up makes 91 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow, 91 degrees sounds like a warm day to me. Well, I live in the US, okay? Our second question, Liam, with his ice cream, ran outside to play. The ice cream melted, and Liam was sad that it melted. Liam looked at the temperature. It was 41 degrees Celsius. Let's turn that into Fahrenheit. To turn 41 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit, you first multiply 41 by 1.8, which gives you 73.8. Then, you add 32 to that number to get the final result of 105.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Rounding that up makes 106 degrees Fahrenheit. Wow, 106 sounds very hot for me. The ice cream would melt, obviously. Third question, last but not least. Now we will turn Fahrenheit into Celsius. Okay, Ethan moved to Canada. It was 71 degrees Fahrenheit, but Ethan needed to know Celsius because the people in Canada used Celsius. We need to help him turn it into Celsius. To turn 71 degrees Fahrenheit into Celsius, you first subtract 32 from 71, which gives you 39. Then, you multiply 39 by 5/9, or about 0.556, to get the final result of approximately 21.67 degrees Celsius. And let's round that to 22 degrees Celsius. Whoa, Celsius is totally, wow! If it was 22 degrees Fahrenheit, it would be very cold. Thanks for watching. I did sneak in a number joke here. Comment if you found it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.